the investigators being honored tonight were selected to receive their awards because of their promising research, exciting discoveries, and hopefully cures that are coming.
This commitment echoes exactly what we are celebrating tonight, the current and future world-class science and research happening throughout Einstein, particularly by our women scientists. You all appreciate the analogy that career advancement is like climbing a career ladder. In a research career, the rungs for these ladders consist of highly competitive NIH research grants. One can picture how difficult it is to climb a ladder when the rungs are faced very far apart. Philanthropic research support provides funding that adds additional rungs to the ladder. Enabling this are three trustees who have been tireless in their support: Melissa Seriali, Linda Albid, and Marla Schaefer. Generous donors have given 7 deserving female researchers a vote of confidence and provided them with new rungs to enable them to help climb their academic career ladders and relieve them of some of the stress that researchers encounter seeking grant funding to build their careers. We salute you all for your commitment to women in research.
Dr. Chakravarty's research has shown that there is a protein called STAT3 which can act as a target to prevent relapse. So now it's my privilege to present this award to Dr. Chakravarty.
As a foreign-born scientist without any family support and with significant financial constraints, it was truly overwhelming for me. Being rewarded with the Seriali Postdoctoral Award and its salary support has been tremendously helpful.
Dr. Mastro Giovanni, you are an extremely welcome addition to our research community, and it is really my great pleasure to present this award to you. Congratulations.
Professional mission is to improve our knowledge of cancer, improve treatments, and bring discoveries made at the bench into communities. I want to thank you very much this award because allow me to pursue all these goals. So thank you and grazie mille.
Dr. Lidiane Torres came to us 3 years ago from the University of Campinas in Sao Paulo. And she brought with her a strong interest in sickle cell disease.
And I was where I've always wanted to be, doing what I loved the most and being recognized for that, which is really rare in Brazil. And in spite of this, it has not been easy. And it was around this time that I received the Seriali Award. It was validating to win it. It has reminded me that people do care about research, and it has helped me to continue this work and to continue Poe's legacy. And for myself, hopefully one day I will have my own lab and I'll continue to work towards a few cure to sickle cell disease.
Women doing amazing things is a personal passion of mine, and it is an honor to have my parents' name remembered here at Einstein.
I'm pleased to introduce the recipient of this award, and I'm very proud to say a fellow faculty member, Dr. Lindsay Lefebvre.
So thank you for your support of women in science at Einstein. While women are equally represented at the training level, they're underrepresented in faculty positions, especially at the senior level. I appreciate the support from the donors here as we work to fill that gap. Thank you so much.
And I'm personally committed as chair of medicine, as dean, and in every role I did to gender equity. It's essential. It makes the institution better. It's the moral imperative. It's the right thing to do. So I'm committed to that.
Thank you so much to Einstein. Thank you to the Department of Medicine for giving me this opportunity to start my career and my own research program. And thank you, Melissa, for making this possible. Thank you so much.
Dr. Helena Blumen is an associate professor of medicine in the Division of Geriatrics and in the Department of Neurology. This is just the beginning, and we look forward to future work from Dr. Blumen that will point to ways to better aging in our aging nation. So, Dr. Blumen, I'm honored to present you with this award.
My mother's Alzheimer's diagnosis at the tender age of 65 also had a profound influence on me. So my research really focuses on identifying modifiable factors, whether they're social, cognitive, or physical, that we can use to improve brain health and prevent or reduce the risk for dementia before there are observable symptoms.
It's really clear that our world is going to be a better place when all this science that's being done by these incredible women is truly enhanced and funded and supported along the way. I was so touched and moved when I was able to meet all these amazing women in their labs and the stories that you know, they're from different countries and there was COVID and they've left families behind and they're here by themselves. It's really hard and there's so many things that we go through in our lives and we need the support of people around us. And so it's my honor to be here.
With a generous gift, Einstein trustee Linda Altman and her husband created the Linda and Earl Altman Lupus Research Award, which will provide funding for the creation of a faculty scholar position to join the Institute for Lupus Care and Research team, providing the resources vital to accelerating new scientific discoveries and better treatment strategies for patients with lupus, which, as you all know, is a devastating disease that affects 10 times more women, and especially women of reproductive age. So the script reads, heads the Institute for Lupus Research and Care. But actually, she doesn't just head it. She thought about it. She came to the chair and convinced him that it's important to do it. She pushed the chair to give resources, and she did something that people at Einstein and Montefiore have been talking about for 20 years, but never happened until Dr. Schwartz came and actually did it.
You know, I was going to say that I would love for my daughter to see an evening like this, with extremely accomplished women doing science, persevering and succeeding. You give us not just the means, but the strength to face our daily challenges and to believe that women can, in fact, do anything. Thank you.
This is really the generation of leaders that will make Einstein much better.